how to create community on Reddit account. Hey guys, welcome to our channel and let's get started. Well, for this, go ahead and open up Reddit application or go to the Reddit website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on three horizontal lines at the upper left corner, and right here you'll be able to see create a community option. Now tap on it. Next, create a community name. Just type down the community name. And now select the community type, whether you want it to be a public account or a private, select that. And now if you're going to be posting 18 plus stuffs, then you might want to toggle this option right here as 18 plus community. If not, let it be. Once done, tap on create community button. Now, once the community has been created, you can create your first post. So just type down the title and content right here. If you want to upload your video or photo, just simply tap on this gallery icon. And once done, tap on post. So that's it. I really hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more great contents. Thanks for watching.